So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to explore one of the most talked topic in the AI world, that is Ollama. So you must have heard about this Ollama thing, like when you don't want to pay something to ChatGPT, or you can say Claude, so you need to use Ollama. So you must have heard about it, but let's explore what it is about. I've already written this blog post on my website selftuts.in. You can go there and basically see it. I'll share the link in the description below. So let's go into this one, like what exactly is Ollama. If you have used ChatGPT or Claude, so the most important thing is you need a subscription from them. So you have some free plans, but if you use more and more tokens, so those tokens get exhausted, and after that you need to have a pro plan or plus plan or a go plan from there. So that requires money. So every developer cannot afford money like that much amount. Like in India, if you see, there's a subscription of 2000 rupees per month, or you can say $20. So it's very expensive for a normal developer. So what exactly Ollama helps is, like, it helps you to make this LLM server free. But how? That's the magic. So you can say that Ollama is a software which has been provided. You can run on your local machine, and in that local machine you can run your Ollama models. So if I give you one analogy, so the thing is, like, if you have heard of Docker, so there is something called as Docker engine, and there are something called as Docker images. So there is Docker image and there is Docker engine. So you can run this Docker image using the Docker engine. So same is the concept. So there are LLM models, and Ollama helps you to run these LLM models on your local machine. So we can say, what exactly is Ollama? So imagine you had a own personal version of ChatGPT. So basically you can run a version of ChatGPT, not exactly ChatGPT, but a lower version model, which will require no login, no subscription, and there is no internet required after the setup. So the most important part is you don't need the internet also. So that is what basically Ollama is. So let's see, like, why are people using Ollama? So the most important thing for which people use Ollama is, like, it works offline. So it works on your local machine. So that's why it is offline. It is completely free. So once you have Ollama installed on your machine, and then once you have the LLM model which you want to use, so it's completely free. There is no monthly plan or credit system, because you're running on your local machine. It is safe and private. So the most important concern about LLM models, or basically online or cloud-based LLM model, is like you give it so much data, you can pay sometime the secrets and other stuff in the chat, and that get exposed. So it is not safe and private. It is becoming safe and private, but it is not like too much safe. So Ollama does what? It is safe and private because you are running on your local laptop. It is not connected to the internet. So that's why it is safe. It is easy for beginners. So you don't need to have any technical knowledge. The commands are simple and you can execute it easily. It runs smoothly on your normal system. So there are basic models. You can't do everything what ChatGPT or Claude does. So let's say at present there is ChatGPT Codex 5.3, or you can say Cloud Opus 4.5 something. So those are very big models which requires too much GPU. So you can't mimic everything on your local machine, but you can run smoothly the normal models. Like you can run Llama models, or you can run I can say the DeepSeek model on your local machine. Like for the MacBook, it will be M1, M2, M3. So M1 can also run it, and you can use your old Windows machine or Ubuntu machine to run this smoothly. So what can you use Ollama for? So basically, what are the uses of Ollama? Since it is running a LLM model, so anything that you will be able to do with ChatGPT or Claude, same things you can do with Ollama also. So it is like you can chat like ChatGPT, you can summarize your notes and document, you can do a coding help, you can blog and content writing, you can learn new concepts. So basically it is also generative AI. So you just give the command and basically it runs on your machine. So you can build your apps also. So if you have a good machine and you are running a better version of LLM model, so you can build your own apps there. So how does Ollama work? So you install it, you download the model is stored in your computer, you ask the question, your laptop processes it locally, and then you get the answer. So this is the thing, like how Ollama works. So it's just an engine that is running your LLM model. So there are some basic steps. We will go into the detail of this in my next videos, like how to install Ollama on MacBook, on Ubuntu, or on Windows machine. So based on your machine, you can also do the installation, and how to use it, like how to download new models, how to run the models, and those things. Okay, so let's see that I have already Ollama installed on my MacBook here. So this is my MacBook here. So I'll just show you like how you can do it. So if I say Ollama and then I'll just say enter. So what it will do, it will give you an option. So this is like CLI based options that you'll get. So you hit enter on the run model, and here you can see there are recommended models. So if you see GLM 4.7 flash, it is 25 GB. I have not downloaded it. I have downloaded a small one. I'm running a very small one on my this MacBook because it has very less RAM and GPU. So I'll just hit enter here, and you can see it is asking me to send a message how you use ChatGPT. So let's say I say, hi, how are you? So let's see what it replies. It replies you back that I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Okay, so let's ask something good, like how we ask ChatGPT. I need to learn exceptions in Python. Can you teach me? Okay, let's see what it replies. Okay, so you can see it is saying exceptions are in Python. So it is like a markdown format file. Same way you get a response from ChatGPT or Claude also, but it's on a graphical user interface on the browser. So it's basically you see that it is well written, but here the gist is like, okay, it returns you a response from your local machine, and it's saying what is an exception. So you can see it has written down what is an exception, what are the different type of exceptions, how to handle exception. It has written also an example. Okay, so let's write more. Can you give me other type of exceptions in Python? So let's see what it replies. So you can see, okay, so it can say like import error, module not found error. If you have worked with Python, then I think you must know about these kind of exceptions. So you can see like it's running on my local machine, but it's very small model. So it's only 990 MB of model which I'm using. And basically it is also giving you a good response from itself. So basically you can see like I'm running it locally. This is how Ollama is helping me. So you can see if I do Ollama again, you can see that it gives you certain options like run a model. You can launch the Claude code also using it. So this awesome. You can launch Codex, which is like from ChatGPT, how you do agent based coding. Claude code is like agent based coding from Claude. So all these things are possible through Ollama. It is very powerful. If you are a developer, if you don't want to spend money on like subscription plans from these AI companies, you can use Ollama. This is very helpful. So I am running some of my Ollama on the Windows machine, which has some high configurations. So I'll give you videos on that also, basically how you can run on a different local machine and then you can access it from your MacBook or from many places. So that will come in upcoming videos. So hope you like this video. You understood what Ollama is. Again, I want to iterate. It is just a tool which is helping you to run the LLM models. So it is very powerful. So there's a Ollama website. So you can also go there. So if you see, this is the Ollama website. So if I go here, you can see how to install coding, OpenClaw, like the new tool that has come into the market. So you can just go through their documentation and see like what things are there. So you can see what models are also there. So I think they provide the models list here. So you can go and search the model. So all type of models are present with different parameter. So this is very awesome tool. If you are learning AI, so you must know about it, or you should know about it. So I think you have understood about it. Let's jump into the next video. Please like my video, share my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.